Hi YouTube, what is up? Rohit back with another video. Today we got a new GoPro for the channel. Hopefully it looks really good. But yeah, hopefully it looks good, this quality. Still figuring out the settings for it and everything, but I think it looks pretty good. Got it in 60 frames. I don't have it in 4K because I don't need all that storage to be gone really quick. But hopefully the quality still looks good. But yeah, we got a new GoPro for the channel because my old one was getting really like not good. It was a Hero 10, and I know those are like super outdated now. So they were like good back then, but not anymore. So I just decided to change it up, you know. Hopefully you guys are having a good one. Appreciate all the support. We're at, what, like 1377 subscribers? That's insane. Last night I was like at only 1372. Well, first 1370, and then I just put out that short and everybody watched that. So appreciate everybody who watched that video, subscribed. And also if you guys are watching this video, hopefully you guys enjoy this. And yeah, welcome to the channel. But yeah, we just got a little POV today. Nothing crazy, I'm not doing nothing crazy, but we're just chilling, a little bit talking, whatever. But you know, I've been seeing, right, they did all that new, you know, Dodge is bringing the V8 back. We all know it at this point. I mean, look at the commercials. They were literally saying that, you know, Tim Kuniskis is in charge basically now of everything, marketing, all that stuff. And on top of that is the fact that he also said that they went quiet and now we're going loud again. Yeah, you're definitely bringing a V8 back. There is no way you go loud with an inline 6. I think the inline 6 is still gonna be a thing. We're not gonna just have like no, you know, any of that, but they're gonna add it as an option. So now you get the V8 and you get the inline 6, but I think SRT division will be focused on V8s and up. If they bring back the Viper, that'll be a V10 hopefully, but I don't know. It'd be kind of interesting to see where they go with that kind of, you know, idea, because we haven't had a Viper for I don't know how long. That thing was, the last time was up to what, 2017 I think. They were keeping them and then they got rid of them. They didn't make them anymore, so then those were done. But yeah, the SRT division is back, so I mean that's kind of cool. I mean, I didn't expect it to be that quick, but hey, Tim Kuniskis is in charge now, so they gotta listen. Gotta listen. But yeah, Dodge is definitely on the rise again. But yeah, that's pretty much my thoughts on that. I think that's a great thing. But y'all hear it. Put in a manual for y'all. The whine never gets old. And right now I'm in just street mode. I'm not even in track, nothing. I'm just chilling because, well, I want to get my gas mileage up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I want that up a little bit. But we have quite a good day today. 64 degrees outside. No rain, nothing, which is nice. Let's see what my gas mileage says so you guys can see. 13.7. so right now, you know, it's going up because I've been in like track mode and stuff, so you know, whenever you put it in that, your gas mileage goes like that, just in an instant, and it's annoying, so I just like to use normal for some time. Not as great downshifts, but it is what it is. Yeah, like they sound like very like weak. But it does pop still. It does pop. It still does pop. So we're gonna go this way. I don't like using the paddle, so I use the shifter. Y'all hear the pop? We got a little Ford ST right here. Let's open the window a little bit. I don't know. I'm gonna see how this GoPro's wind resistance is, because I know my old one was terrible. Let's see if this one is any better. Like, obviously they should. crazy good. Y'all hear the whine? Love. All right, there we go. Hopefully you guys can hear that whine a little bit. It's 63 degrees outside today. It's a little bit cooler than most of the days I've been having, so that's kind of cool. Finally getting a little bit of cold weather. A little bit. I don't want too much though, because we all know that cool weather is supercharged boost weather, right? It is a little far. Actually, let me close this window. It's cold. I did not expect it to be that cold. 64 degrees. It is kind of cold with the wind. I didn't expect that, but I guess we got some cold weather today. Not a problem, honestly. I don't mind it. Just a little bit of some. Look at the sounds. Still sounds good because of that Corsa, you know. That Corsa really does a good job. Y'all hear that? That does sound good though. That does sound good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna catch you guys when I get off work, and then I'm gonna continue the POV. I don't want to end it just yet. I'm gonna give you guys some more, don't worry. Y'all hear that? Oh, look at the pops in the back. I don't know if you heard them, but it's popping. Popping. It's cold outside, so it likes to pop on the cold weather. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys when I get off work, and then we'll continue the POV. So I'm gonna catch you guys in a moment. All right, so we're back. Y'all hear it. Got in track mode now that it's a little bit warmer outside. I didn't want it in track earlier because it was a little bit cold, but we are back and we are in track mode, ready to have some noise. Hopefully the wind ain't too bad. I don't know, but I think this GoPro, they say, has a... Oh my... Y'all heard that? Just popped out the back. Like crazy too. Gotta watch all these people. Such a great sound to listen to. Time just driving. But yeah, I had to go get some food. So, you know, you work 8 hours a day, you get hungry, that's for sure, especially when you lift at the gym, and today is my gym day, so I want to make sure I'm getting the right amount of food in my system so I can feel good. This guy turning here, or is he turning? Gotta hold at this light for a moment, see what we got. Nobody fast. We got this, what is that? I forgot what those are called. Impala? That's Impala, right? Yep, that's an Impala. I forgot what they were called for a moment, and I was like, oh, it's an Impala. Bunch of people outside again. Hopefully this person will go a little bit, because, like, you know, it is what it is. We just gotta wait. And the weather's really nice today. That's a good thing. Paula's going. Yeah, he's going. can't turn. Yeah, they can if you know how to drive. If you know how to drive this thing, you'll be fine. Gotta hold the turn. Alright, we're about to get on the highway now, so we'll close these windows up. And then let's go. Let's get on the highway a little bit, shall we? That's Tesla. That's just a Model X, that ain't nothing. No plaid. Here we go. Oh, y'all heard that? The pop? Yes, sir. This thing is popping good today. This thing is popping how I need it to. It's doing some big ones. This man is gonna go 40 onto the highway. You know, one thing about people that like drive, I wish they go on highways a lot quicker, like 40, 50. It's a, you know, it's a fast area. I need to. Oh, there's a Challenger. I'm gonna get stuck in traffic though with all these slow people. Is that Challenger gonna let me in? I don't know. Maybe. Oh, he is, I think. Thought that Impala followed on. I don't think he did though. I think he gave up. Challenger's behind though, that's for sure. You see it? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a black Challenger behind. I think it's a V6 though. I don't think it's a V8. It's got the hood of a V6, but you never know. Sometimes I know that the old SXT hoods were on Scats too, I think. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong on that, but I didn't. This thing is just sounding really good today. And you heard the pops? That thing is just, I love it. I mean, it's on the Corsa exhaust. I don't have anything else done to it. And it's popping like crazy sometimes. Like, got big ones too. It's got little ones, it got big ones sometimes. It just depends which one you get. But this guy, I need him to move if he can. Challenger's right there. Oh, he wants to play, I think. I think he wants to play. But it's not an RT, it's a V6, so we'll have him for like 1 minute probably. And then we'll be like done. I lost the Challenger already. He's already too far behind. Oh man. That's a lot of people in the right lane. Look at that. A lot of people. This person just wants to stay in the left. From Louisiana, right? Or is that? Yeah, Louisiana. Oh, there's a GT. Right? That's a GT, or what is that? Yep, it's a GT. GT Mustang. He ain't trying to do nothing. He ain't trying to do nothing at all. Got the Challenger on my bumper again. Gotta see if I can make something happen, because this guy's not moving. And he's going like really slow. I want to see if this Challenger, is really about to do something. Or is he just chilling back there? Because right now he's just like a spectator of the whole thing. Yes, sir. Sounds so good. All right, we just went the speed limit for all of you to know. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys when we get back on the highway. I gotta go do something real quick. You know what? I'm gonna end it here. There's not much left to show for today's video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.